Being able to learn new things fast is a superpower. Whether you're a student or a professional looking to study something new, there are now a bunch of great AI apps that can help you. I reviewed a ton of apps, and these are the 8 best AI apps for studying. Let's start with Traverse, a unique visual note-taking app that combines the best features of mind mapping, flashcards, and bi-directional linking. What sets Traverse apart is its approach to organizing information. You can create multiple whiteboards, called traverses, each dedicated to a specific topic, book, project, or class. Within each traverse, you can create notes and place them on the board, jotting down ideas or concepts you're learning. But here's where it gets interesting. Traverse lets you create flashcards for each note. You can either use the new flashcard button or simply highlight the text you want to memorize. Personally, I find this easier simply because it doesn't take as much time as making a new flashcard. One of the coolest features of Traverse is its ability to create a mind map using your notes. By connecting your notes with lines and arrows, you can visually represent the relationships between different concepts, making it easier to grasp complex topics. Additionally, it supports bidirectional linking that allows you to connect notes across different traverses. This feature is particularly useful when you're studying interconnected subjects or working on related projects. It also offers a mobile app, which is perfect for learning on the go. You can create flashcards wherever you are and review them during your downtime, making it easy to squeeze in some study sessions throughout your day. It's not as smooth and easy as Anki, but it does work. For people who love learning from various online sources like YouTube and blogs, Recall is an excellent choice. It's one of the best note apps for studying. You can take notes and make flashcards, but it takes things a step further by creating flashcards from any online content, including YouTube videos and articles. Recall's browser extension allows you to instantly get a summary of any web content and save it to the app. Once you've saved content to Recall, you can use its AI to create flashcards based on the summary. This feature is incredibly useful, since it lets you to turn virtually any online resource into a structured learning experience. Whether you're watching educational videos, reading blog posts, or exploring academic articles, it should be able to help you retain and review the key information effortlessly. Unlike Traverse, it doesn't have mind maps, but it comes with a graph view where you can explore what you studied visually. Also, it has a mobile app so you can review your flashcards wherever you are. I made a full review video on Recall, so check it out if you're curious. For visual learners who like to learn from online content, Mapify is a great choice. Unlike many other AI apps, it specializes in generating mind maps from online content. This approach can make it easier to digest complex information and understand the relationships between different concepts. It's great, especially if you're watching a long YouTube video or reading a long article. Sometimes even summary of the content feels quite long, so it's pretty handy to get a mind map that highlights the important points. It's not just for studying, though. You can use it for brainstorming and planning, too. Also, I like it also has mobile apps for both iOS and Android, so you can use it on the go. Speaking of learning, the best thing I learned in my life was how to make videos and create content online, because that let me quit my corporate job and build a business. If you're interested in doing something creative, whether it's for a hobby, side hustle, or career, then I highly recommend Skillshare because that's where I learned a lot of creative skills I know now, so I'm glad they're sponsoring this video today. Skillshare has really grown into this huge online learning community for creatives. They've got thousands of classes on all sorts of topics, from film and illustration to design, animation, and even productivity. I recently started taking the Beginner's Guide to Adobe After Effects by Jake Bartlett to learn motion design and add some flair to my videos. But there's so much more: photography, graphic design, marketing, you name it. It's perfect whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your skills. Also, since it's the back-to-school season, it's a great time to pick up a new skill. I was actually a student when I first joined Skillshare and took some video editing classes. In retrospect, it was one of the best investments I made. I love how easy it is to fit learning into your schedule, with on-demand classes you can take at your own pace. The community aspect is also something I appreciate. You can share projects and get feedback from other creatives, which is super helpful for growth. If you're interested in expanding your creative toolkit, I'd recommend giving Skillshare a try. They're offering a special deal for my viewers. The first 500 people to use the link in the description will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. It's a great place to explore and find new hobbies and even a new career. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Study Potion is another AI-powered learning tool that's gaining popularity among students. You can upload your lecture notes, videos, or articles, and the app's AI will analyze the content to generate study materials. One of its coolest features is its ability to create lots of flashcards in seconds from your uploaded content. This can be a massive time saver, especially when you got tons of things to study. Additionally, it comes with an AI chat where you can engage with your study materials in a conversational way. You can ask questions, ask for explanation, and check your understanding of topics. Another useful feature of Study Potion is its ability to generate instant AI notes. The app can summarize key points, create outlines, and provide you with concise, easy-to-review notes from any uploaded document. This feature is particularly helpful when you're trying to digest long textbooks or research papers. Revisely is a learning platform that is great especially for students. It's similar to Study Potion, but Revisely comes with extensive collection of resources for exams like GCSE and A-level, which makes it easy to prepare for them. There is a collection of past papers by topic, so you can focus on the areas that are most important to you. You can use AI to generate flashcards as well as quizzes. These tools allow you to quickly convert your notes, textbooks, or any other documents into interactive learning materials. This can be especially useful when you're trying to check your understanding of specific topics or prepare for exams. Next on our list is Albus, an app that takes a more visual approach to learning, similar to Traverse. You can create multiple whiteboards for different topics and add notes to them. However, what's different is Albus can automatically generate notes for you, making it easy to explore and understand complex topics. You just need to type what you want to know, and Albus will prepare key concepts to explore in the field. While Albus doesn't offer flashcard creation, its ability to present information in a visually engaging and intuitive way is really cool. Albus is particularly useful when you're trying to grasp the big picture of a subject or explore the connections between different concepts within a field. Its smooth and fun interface makes the learning experience enjoyable. I have a full review of Albus here if you want to know more about it. Moving on to RemNote, this is probably one of the most polished studying apps available. It's designed specifically with students and lifelong learners in mind. What makes it stand out is how seamlessly it integrates flashcard creation into the note-taking process. You can take notes as you normally would, and then easily convert important information into flashcards. I like how smooth this feels. Also, it supports various flashcard formats, including simple question and answer, list-based answers, and fill-in-the-blank types. One big advantage RemNote has over traditional flashcard apps like Anki is the context it provides. While Anki's flashcards can sometimes feel isolated, RemNote allows you to see the broader context of each question. I think this helps understand the relationships between different concepts and ideas, as well makes it easier to memorize them. RemNote also includes PDF annotation. This is particularly useful for students working with textbooks or research papers. Recently, RemNote has also introduced AI features that can generate flashcards for you, saving time in the study process. But I feel it has a steeper learning curve compared to simpler apps like Anki. It can take some time to get used to how it works, but it might be worth investing the time to master it. Last but not least, we have Knowee. Probably its best feature is its ability to provide step-by-step solutions to problems simply by providing a screenshot. This can be a lifesaver for students who study maths, for example, because you can just take a screenshot of your problem and quickly get a guide on how to solve it. Solving math problems can often be frustrating, but this makes the process more manageable and less stressful. But it's actually more than just a screenshot tool. For instance, you can highlight text and have it explain it or summarize it for you. This works on YouTube as well, so it's a handy tool not just for students, but for lots of people. If you want to know more visual learning tools, check this video out where I talk about my favorite visual note-taking apps. Thanks for watching.